my beautiful babies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zar Galore. Come on through, get acquainted with us as we get into these wigs, mother, and all other things as well. But today we getting into some wigs. So I'm coming through with Outre lace front wig, Florence. I don't know why I like saying that. I've been listening to a lot of super. So here go Florence. Okay, we have Miss Florence in the color DR Creamy Truffle. Love the color name. Okay, and this unit comes in an assortment of colors. Okay, so many to choose from. She's going for currently just under $35 on most wig sites, so a super affordable unit. And she's 32 inches, guys. Like, that's pretty long. So let's see what she's looking like fresh up out the mammy tat and pack. Okay, I'm actually really feeling this already. I see what I'm picking up, what you're putting down, Miss Florence. And this, I mean, honestly, is Florence the name for her though? Because that's given very old and very good times. Very good times. And I don't know that that's what she's I don't know. And I don't mean good times as in actual good times. I mean good times as in we ain't never really had no good times because we lived in the projects good times. So this unit has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. She also has this parting space. I love these lace front units by Outre. These are the affordable, this is the more affordable line. I love these units because they always only have like the ear-to-ear lace and then that parting space. And we love a good easy ass unit. So I'm actually very excited to get into her. Okay, see what she's working with. To the touch, the unit is synthetical, but it's not as bad as the lace front units as this particular collection usually is. Now it can get real synthetical and plasticky, and this one doesn't feel that way. As I'm gonna shut my mammy tat mouth and go ahead. So this is Miss Florence. She is super duper long. Okay, if you're asking, I got this dress from Zayna Amore, black owned business. Hey girl, hey. This unit is super cute. If you're looking for something that's like maybe like a baby shower situation, or even like a wedding day situation, I think she's a vibe. Like, I absolutely do. I almost wish I would have put on my You know what? Give me a second. I'll be right. Sitha Hazel on right now. Okay, so it's a little bit lighter than I expected her to be, but she's still a vibe with this hair. So I wanted to give a full look. This unit is sexy. The color of this is sexy. Bust up on her. Again, I believe it's truffle brown or something like that. I don't know. I mean, I said it earlier, like, dang, like, what more do you want from me? This is fire. Again, she's super long, super sexy. You could do a lot with her, which is really great as well, because even if you wanted to wear her in a cute little pony, you're able to do that too. You know what I mean? She provides like real looks, and I'm really feeling that about her. She is a lot of hair. She is a lot of hair, and for her to be a lot of hair, she's also very lightweight, which is nice too. The cap is relatively big head friendly, which I don't know how y'all feel about that. It's relatively big head friendly. Don't get on no rides and pass out. That's all I can tell you what to do. Like, cause we ain't losing our wigs. I mean, goddamn, it's only 2021 right now. Like, we still doing that? Are we? So, other than that, I really do actually like this unit. I do worry that she's going to get a little synthetical at the bottom. Look, just a little bit, just a little bit. So we're not going to get mad at her for that because she's long. But I also think over time, if you get her, you could chop her down. So it's not anything that wouldn't be a really good investment, because again, she's under $35 on most wig sites. And for 32 inches of hair, you're paying basically $1 for each inch. You know what I mean? And I think that's absolutely worth it for this unit. She's absolutely stunning. I really, really like this. And I think the color is contributing a large part to it as well. But, okay, I really love black girl blondes. I think she's providing. What do you guys think? I feel really sexy in her. I'm feeling bronzy and everything like that. What are y'all thinking? Bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are, whatever the case may be, because I'm curious. This unit is cute. And again, she only is a side part. I don't know if I said that, but she's specifically a side part unit. You can't really shift her. I probably would have opted to shift her a little bit more, but it kind of fits comfortably like this. I did experience some tangles, some shedding. That's not that big a deal. It's a long unit. And guess what? Consider the price, okay? You get what you pay for. And this is a beautiful unit, number one, so you're getting a lot more than what you pay for, but the reality is you have to give and take when it comes to some of these units. And this one is giving, but she gonna take some tangles with her, okay? So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you guys think about this one. She's super cute, okay? She's cute. She's giving. She's simple. I like it. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.